Alright, for those of you that say you have to be a master tech to rebuild the 7M, well, bam, we got the watch to prove it.
That doesn't work. It blew a head gasket.
What's going on, everybody? Today we're working on the Supra again. And for you, those of you that are new to the channel, this is Randall's 1991 Toyota Supra Turbo, in which he traded a perfectly running WRX-4.
Still a mistake.
But yeah, today we're gonna put the head back together and then put it all back on the block. Alright, so we're gonna clean the valves real quick one more time. Then we're gonna put the valve stem seals in, put the valves in, springs, or seats, springs, and then retainers. And then we get to throw it back on the block, and then we put it back on the car and turn it on. Today, right now. And then we go to the junkyard and find a 2J.
I got plenty already left.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We get to put the metal head gasket on today too. We gotta clean that.
Alright, so this is a valve seal installation removal tool.
You sound so enthused about that.
Shut up.
It is early, I know.
And then install it.
Where'd you get it?
Got it?
Randall got that off eBay, and if it works well, we'll post a link in our description, so you guys can get one too. That's if it makes life easier.
Join our cool gang.
I don't even think I didn't use anything. Like, I just pushed them in my hand.
Well, I bought this more for the removal than I did the install. The install is not a big deal. It's just getting them off with a crappy pair of needle nose pliers was not fun.
Yeah, yours are a lot smaller than mine too.
Okay, that's what you do with it. And done.
Does it make life easier?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna post a link in the description so you guys can go check that out on eBay. All right, we got all the valves in, so now we're gonna put the springs on with Randall's spiffy spring installer that we got off Amazon. Yeah, we showed you this little tool when we took the valves out, and it worked pretty good.
A lot easier than that big C-clamp.
Yeah.
That thing's a pain.
So yeah, we're gonna put the springs on, and then the retainers and all that good stuff, and then back on the block. All right, so all the springs are in, putting the retainers on, and then we're gonna use the little tool over there and press down the spring and put the keepers in. Did you find all of them?
No. I just went and bought more. I know all but one. So I bought 4 extra. Kind of like I did with my valve seal. Actually, this whole damn thing.
Just with both of our cars, you just ought to just buy extra parts for everything.
It's like everything I order is wrong.
It's gonna break eventually.
Well, that is Yeah, goes without saying.
Don't drop them all again. So you put the little keepers in, and then you press down on the valve, and it puts them in place where they should go. Voila! Didn't they? Now we got to do 8 million more.
You have a problem with valves.
I have a problem with time-consuming jobs. I like things fast.
Then why'd you keep the G54? Ooh.
Oh. It's more reliable than a 7M.
Ooh. I got nothing for that.
I don't really know if it is or not. We'll find out. We'll find out when we race.
I think we're gonna find out more who's a better engine builder.
Well, you kind of did both of them. It's more of along the lines of who makes better parts, I guess.
I wouldn't bank on Mitsubishi.
You're gonna get like hate mail now.
Probably.
I'm surprised we haven't.
We got a hate mail?
Mm.
Yeah. I was really kind of hoping we'd get a bunch and we could do like read them and do like the best of hate mail. Be like, our favorite hate mail of the week is StarQuest Joe, who said keep the Supra. Thank you. Actually, I think he said Poopra.
Poopra. Yeah. Done yet?
Yeah. All right, driving. Where are you at?
So when you're using this tool, it comes with this pad here. It's got a bubble on top, and that goes on the valve. If you don't use that, you're just gonna push the valve and not get the keeper seated into the valve. All right, so we got the head all assembled, and we got the ARP head studs in the block. So now we're gonna put a little RTV where the front cover meets the block, and then the head goes back on.
Gotta move quick.
Why?
So that stuff doesn't dry.
Oh, what are you doing with that?
Put it on.
Is that?
But
This is the one you gotta put on. This is the metal one.
Hmm?
That's the metal one.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No.
What is it then?
Cardboard.
What's that? What was that?
Metal.
Money and metal. Alright. Head gasket's on. So now we're gonna put the head on the block and torque it down. Alright, all the ARP washers are in.
And no, I'm not tightening it down.
Looks like you are.
You're very smart, sir.
What are you doing? What are you doing then?
Make sure that socket will fit.
So are we gonna tighten them down?
Huh?
Are we gonna tighten them down?
No, we're gonna leave them off. It'll help blow the head gasket faster, so I can get the swap
I
head sooner.
I see. Smart thinking.
Hey, it's not metal. manual?
It's all the way over there.
Yeah, it's really far.
The ARP manual. Manuel. There you go.
No, I can't read it.
Oh, you want me to read it to you too?
I can't read, all right? What's the overall torque? 90?
90.
Okay, and it says what? 3 steps?
3 equal steps.
So that would be,
How can they be equal if they're going to be different numbers?
well, see how it, we'll see here.
30, 69.
So instead of doing 30 and 60 and 90, what you do is you do 30 the first time and then you just add 30 again. So you just torque it again at 30. So that adds it.
But that would be 60. How can it be equal if it's different? So you torque it to 90 3 times?
Yes.
Done yet?
Yeah.
Should be enough, right?
30? Yes. Let's see, they're ARP, so they're a little bit tighter. That's how it works. Right?
Yeah. Well, that way, if it's only torqued at 30, when you take it back off, you don't have to try as hard to get them off.
I like the way you think, sir.
Just trying to help you out.
You do a damn fine job.
It's a workout. It's on there.
Really is, sir.
Did you ever thought you see the day?
No. Thought there'd be a 2J on that stand. Alright, so the head is partially assembled. The valves, the springs, retainers, and keepers are all in. The head is on the block with the Sweet Felpro composite gasket and the ARP head studs torqued to 90 per the ARP manual. So that will wrap it up for today. Next time, we'll get the cams, the valve train all assembled, the arrows pointing the right way.
Backwards.
Yep.
Just on one.
Put the oil pan on, oil pump in, dipstick in, whatever else we feel like.
Then it's time to go back in.
We still gotta pressure wash this.
Oh, yeah.
I guess I gotta pressure wash it, not you. Unless someone wants to do it, then
For free.
yeah, I ain't got no money.
Speaking of that,
I'll give you a sticker.
head on over to sandrmotoring.com. We have some merch for sale. That helps us out.
All right, thanks again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these videos, or you don't, because it really helps us out a lot. Again, leave a comment telling us we're doing it right, wrong. Scott's head looks funny.
That doesn't go bald.
Maybe we should do that for the race. We'll revisit that. But anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Keep on motoring!